Hi guys, Adam Corbally here. Today I am at Smithills High School. I'm working with the whole of Year 9 on my Enterprise Challenge. I've been in this morning, motivated them all, got them up for the challenge, told them my life story which concentrates on creating opportunities, surrounding yourself with the right people, asking for help and being the best version of yourself. And then I've given them the challenge for the day. Come up with a product or service, their very own business idea to make the world a better place and have a positive social impact on the people and the planet. They've come up with some amazing ideas so far and we cannot wait for the final where somebody is going to be crowned the is going to be crowned the 2025 Enterprise winner. And the more options and opportunities you have, the happier you are. And one thing we can all agree on is we all want to be happy, don't we? Yeah, of course we do.